Is Find Nearby not working on your AirPods Pro 3? This feature relies on ultra-wideband UWB technology for precise location tracking via the Find My app. When it fails, the first steps are simple. Restart your AirPods by placing them in the case for 30 seconds and ensure your iPhone is updated to at least iOS 18.3. Make sure Find My is enabled in Settings under your Apple ID with precise location turned on. These quick fixes resolve over 70% of reported issues. If problems persist, especially in urban areas, Wi-Fi and cellular interference might be the cause. Try disabling them temporarily to improve UWB signal reception. For persistent issues, consider more advanced troubleshooting. Forget the AirPods in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and repair them. This ensures a clean connection and resolves potential firmware mismatches, especially if your AirPods firmware is older than 6B12. If you're still struggling, environmental factors matter. UWB works best with a clear line of sight, so move away from walls and metal objects. Also, battery drain can be a factor during extended searches. Apple is working on optimizations. As a last resort, use the diagnostics tool within the Find My app to check UWB functionality. Remember, while precision finding is innovative, it's not foolproof, but these steps should get you back on track.